How to sell course on eBay. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we will be teaching you on how you could pull off selling a course on eBay. So to be able to do this, of course, you're going to first log into your account. After you log into account as indicated by the hi over here, if it mentions your name or your account's name, you are now logged in. And after that, all you need to do is to simply click on sell over here. And once you click that, you will now be redirected to the page where you could start listing your product that you would like to sell. Now, we will be utilizing another platform for today's video because I'm going to be showing you on how you will be able to do this, because there's no direct way for you to upload a file and then once they buy that, they will be able to receive. There is no direct way to do that on eBay. So we will be showing you an alternative or ways to be able to pull this off. And to do that, we will be using different platforms as well. Now, I will not be showing you how you could create your course. Let's already assume that you have your course. Now, what you need to do next before we continue with this is to go to Canva or any platform out there that you know, that you like, to create different types of output wherein you will be able to edit and create an output for you. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating cover page or a design for our course. So we will be going over here. We're going to search for the term course, and when you search this, you will be able to see different types of templates for you to check out, and you could copy the template. For example, training course over here. Of course, it depends on what type of course you are going to be using, but as you can see, there's a lot of different options that you have over here, a lot of different templates that you could use for your output over here as well. So we will be exploring this. And aside from that, actually, you could also go with a more manual version where you could create your own design by simply clicking on create a design over here. Then, depending on your course or the topic of your course, you could build a specific output based on that. So, let's say my course is about kitchen or cooking, a cooking course. So, what we can do is we could go back to our home page, and I'm going to be creating a plain design. So you're not limited to the template that I have just shown you. You could search whatever template you want. You could also create a custom design over here, and you could go with custom size. There we go. Also keep in mind, Canva is a free platform, so you don't need to worry about paying something about it. So you're simply going to open it and create an account, log in, and then you will be able to use it. And this is only a suggestion, platform suggestion. You could use any platform that you want, but this is for me. So what you're going to do is you're going to build your output that is based on the course. So for me, like I said, our course is kitchen. So the main things that you could use in Canva are the elements over here, the text, and the uploads. For the elements, you could basically search anything you want. For example, kitchen. Then you will be provided with photos, graphics, videos, and audio over here. On the text, this is your headings or different types of information over here, different types of text that you could use. So let's go with the graphics option over here, and let's build our output over here so that we could have our title page. So for example, this one, you could put it over here. Let's have a background, just like that. You could search specific information, so specific topics. Then for example, this one, I could put it in the background. There we go. Then I could simply change the position to the back. Now we have this. I don't think I'll be that great with designing our output over here, but we'll try our best to be able to show how you will be able to do it. So let's search for more kitchen items. Go to graphics, and let's see what we could do. Let's put this in the middle, or maybe just like this. And you could search for different things. You could add more things if you want, or you could go with a very simplistic style or a very complicated style, depending on your preference. Right now, I'm simply looking if there is something we could add to this. Let's see. Maybe we could change this instead. You don't need to stick with one thing. You could do and try out different things. Explore the different things that you could pull off. For example, this one. We put that over here. Then after being satisfied with the option that you have selected, maybe let's put this. Or no, maybe this one. I don't think so. So let's go and fix our position here. I think after selecting a specific element that you want, after building your element, like I said earlier, not that great with creating a very good design, but you got the idea, wherein you will be able to piece together multiple things over here. For example, this one. Let's put it over here on the left side. Then you could go with the text, or you could change the background again. We could maybe turn it to a different color. Let's go with blue over here. Here we go. Then we could go to the text area. Then you can simply select the specific font that you like. Put it over here, wherever you want it to be located. So you could say Kitchen 101. Then you could put in your name over here. You could change the font by simply clicking on this section. Change it to whatever font that you want. Whatever font you feel like it's appropriate. So let's go with that one. Then for this one, we could add it as well. Then you could add different things as well in the background. You have different elements. You can play around with it. You could check out the different things that you could do with our output over here. So for example, this one maybe. And put it in the background. There we go. Position it to the back. Change the transparency to like that. Okay, so let's settle that for now. Let's simply click on share. Click on download and download it as a PNG. Now going back here on eBay, you're simply going to click on list an item. Now, after that, you're simply going to select the title. You're going to have to create a title for your product name, of course. So let's say Kitchen 101 course. Then simply click on search. And then after that, you will be able to proceed. Now you have the option to have it as a book or like everything else over here or a textbook. It is completely up to you. So for example, let's go with the one that is closest. Maybe a book, because it's technically a course. And after that, you have here book title, you have the language, the topic, the format. You could get the information over here. You also have similar products over here, similar matches that you could maybe copy. But let's say over here, unknown. Then book title, let's go with, it's not here, so let's leave it as it is. Then continue with a match. It's brand new, you like new, very good, good or acceptable. Continue with listing. And after that, we are now going to proceed to the next step. And over here, we're simply going to upload our photo. There we go. Then we have it over here. You could also do something similar where you go and click here, change the background to white, or let's turn it to white. There we go. Then we're going to upload this. There we go. Then you're simply going to click on edit image over here. You could have a mock-up for your product. So simply click on edit image. Click on smart mockups, and there's a lot of different mockups over here that you could use to better present your course. So maybe this one, as you can see, let's wait for it to appear. Let's see how our design will be applied. There we go. Then you can simply download and upload this one as well. As you can see, very good mockup for us to use. But anyway, after that, you simply put in your title, the specification, the title, the topic, the format, the genre, series, publication year. And you can also have the original language. All of this information that you are seeing right now, you're going to have to put as much information as you can. Then you have your description over here. You can simply mention that this is a digital course, and you will be able to receive the course once they've successfully bought the product. Then, for example, it's auction. Of course, when the auction is finished, you can simply DM them or message them, send them the link, or send them the course directly. But of course, you will only send it after they pay for the product. And that's the alternative on how you will be able to start selling a course on eBay. For all this information, you can simply click on list now, and you will be able to start selling it on eBay. So that's it, guys. That's the alternative. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.